Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP23 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the security. Let's tap on it. Then let's go to the face and fingerprint unlock. And basically, if you do not have your screen lock currently added, you will have to do it right now for security reasons. So just choose pattern, pin or password. If not, you will be transferred to another step. I mean, if you do have the screen lock, you will be transferred to another step. So let me set the pattern. Let me redraw it and confirm. And here we have to decide what kind of notification content we want to show on the lock screen. So it's up to you. Just mark the option and tap on done. Then let's tap on the fingerprint, and we've got the information about the fingerprint, so just tap on I agree. Now we have to touch the sensor. We've got this animation and instruction. The touch sensor is located right here on the back of our device. So let me try to do it. And as you can see right now, we have to do it multiple times to add our fingerprint fully. So let's do it. Okay, we've got it, so let's tap on done. Here we can decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for, so the unlock device, application lock, quick launch shortcuts. It's really up to you. This is our fingerprint. We can add up to 5 different fingerprints. We can remove it or rename it just by tapping on the settings icon. Alright, so I think right now we have to check whether it is working. So let's lock the device and let me put my finger on the sensor. Okay, with the second attempt, but finally we've got the device turned on, unlocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.